Hey, welcome to another show. Today on the show, I have a protective phone case for the S20 Ultra. When you order this from SupCase, it will have, it'll be labeled S11 Plus, but it is for the S20 Ultra. I do not have the phone yet, but when I get the phone, I will put a link to it in the description down below or something up above, and you can see where I will be fitting that phone with this case. But for right now, if you're going to be ordering that phone pretty soon and you want to know what kind of phone case will protect your phone, I have one for my phone I've been using for a long time. Really sturdy, nice phone. So let's take a look at this right here. Take it out of its wrapping here. And of course you have where you're going to be putting the phone in here. And what I like about this right here is it has a kickstand. So that makes it pretty cool. So you can set this on the table. If you can see that, the cat's in the way here. To get that kickstand down, you just press down on it. And it snaps in place, so that's really nice. It won't be in the way. Here will be the large window for all the cameras that's going to be on the S20 Ultra. And it should snap in like this. So you can fit this on your belt. And this can turn. But most of the time, I like this protective case, and I'll probably be using that with the S20 Ultra. But with this phone, I'm usually, I don't use that part there. Quite a bit bigger. So I'm excited to get the S20 Ultra, and I'm going to have a lot of cool videos on here. You got to take a look at it. I'll be looking at the camera, the video options, because I do a lot of video work with these phones. So totally excited about that. So it should be coming soon. And the cat's excited about that too. I'm just going to take a look here. This does not come with a screen protector. And if you could, please let me know what kind of screen protector I should buy for this. And leave it down in the comments down below. I'm still looking to see what the best screen protector would be. Also, this right here, this was about $20 on Amazon. Now, I don't mind spending a lot of money on a very protective case, but I've been using this brand, this type, for, I would say, at least 5 or 6 years. I've been super happy. I've had the phone drop a lot, and no problem. So when you do get the phone, you're going to put it in this little case right here, and then slide it right in here and snap it into place. And like I said before, I will have a link to the video. When I get the phone, I'm going to show you what the phone looks like in here. And I think it's going to do a great job. I love the kickstand. I love the kickstand. That's awesome. That is going to be super cool. Also, another idea with this, when you get your phone, you can take your phone and you can put it on the outside. I like to do that, clamp it on the outside. And then I'll take this, turn it sideways, and I'll put it on my shirt or something. And that's so when I'm walking, I'll have, it's like a portable video holder, carrier type of thing. So you can be recording things like this annoying cat. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. Make sure you check out the description down below. I'll have links to this on Amazon, and I will also keep you updated when I get the phone, and I'm going to offer some cool videos, some cool reviews on the camera of the S20 Ultra. I'm super excited about this, and like always, have a fun day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.